People. 220 million of them out there. And they're all different, with different lifestyles. Different as night and day. It's tough to please them all, but you can. For hundreds of thousands of those people, you can respond with a 71 Nova, Camaro, and Corvette. First, Nova. Right at the head of the class of 1971, again. Behind Nova's traditional popularity, some sizable advantages. Like size. Nova's small enough to snug into tight parking places. Small enough to make long trips seem like gas economy runs. Nova's big enough to take the whole gang along. Nova's size is right for everyone, from young marrieds to retirees, the campus crowd through 2- and 3-car families. That's what Nova's all about. Tailor-making, tailor-matching the car, the driver, making it right just for them, creating a super thrift or super sport. Economy, new for 71, a 250 CID Standard 6, super thrift. Performance, a heady 350 V8 with 270 horse, super sport. Super thrift or super sport, all 71 Chevy passenger car engines run on regular gas, have a new efficient standard emission control system. Match 4 engines with 5 transmissions for a total of 10 ways to make Nova right for anyone. On the outside, Chevy left a good thing pretty much alone. 71 Nova styling gives buyers more of what they couldn't get enough of last year. In place of drastic styling change, functional improvements, like power beam headlamps, and front side markers that flash with the turn signals. Refinements, improvements, no change for change's sake. Both Nova models, coupe and sedan, are starting points toward the tailor-made Nova. Individuality begins with an inexpensive exterior decor package that adds door, window, and body side moldings. Personalize some more with a custom exterior package, like this one. Still more, tailor-make a super sport, then add either exterior decor or the custom exterior. Match 5 vinyl roofs with a galaxy of new 71 colors. Your choice. Nova is choices, and more choices. Start with one kind of Nova, build one-of-a-kind Nova. That's the plan. Outside and inside, Nova's proof that standard isn't stark. Rich cloth and vinyl foam cushion front seat, color-keyed floor covering, easy care vinyl door and quarter trim, padded visors, plus 4 new 71 interior colors, and new features like a steering wheel with a padded center section and soft dash control knobs. Then naturally, more choices, like this custom interior with extra thick foam seat cushions, carpeting and other luxury touches. Choices galore. That's made to order 71 Nova. This is made to drive 71 Camaro. Standard 71 Camaro meets the market with a strong European road racing design that takes on additional distinction as fast as your prospects specify rally sport. The driver's car. Reserved for a special people breed, enthusiasts, fun people, young people of all ages. Fast company where individuality and innovation are all part of the action. Camaro is a whole package of design innovation, styling individuality, ride and handling excellence that combine in a driver's car. Super Hugger has stability, ride and handling to support its initial performance impression. One Drive does say it all. One Drive prompted Road and Track magazine editors to say, quote, "It's the best American car we've ever driven," end quote. No need to tamper with a basic car introduced in February. The great mid-year features are still there. Like standard front manual disc brakes, coupled with finned rear brake drums. That combo delivers a sure, firm pedal, time after time, every time. Features like power beam headlamps and a resilient nose on rally sport that that takes the stings of minor dings. Plus, a sturdy double roof with its remarkably effective acoustical ceiling that absorbs sound like a sponge soaks up water. Under the roof are new for 71 touches like high back bucket seats, soft steering wheel shroud, and soft control instrumentation knobs with function symbols. Camaro for 71, a driver's car, running neck and neck with the classic car, Corvette. Not really a whole lot different. In 17 years, Vette's never been changed for change's sake. In fact, the Corvette idea has never really changed at all. It's still a car without compromises like jump seats for kids. It's still a car for the beach, for the best restaurant in town. Like its predecessors, 71 Vette is made to perform, which is exactly what it does best. What it is the best under the sun, made even better in 71 with body panels finished with an extraordinary new resin process that leaves the Vette surface free of waves and ripples. And 71 Corvette is available in 3 new fire mist paint colors that cap its one-of-a-kind individuality. Corvette, a piece of tomorrow, taking its place in your 1, 2, 3 response to a market clamoring for everything from super sport to super thrift. In 71, respond with Nova, Camaro, and Corvette.